Okay, so the door. On the bottom it has a groove for a track. Not everybody will use that track, but there you go. And they should have the holes. Yep, they have the holes pre-drilled for the hardware. Yippee! That's what we're talking about. And I don't know. Let's see what else is going on. So you want to line everything up here, okay? Some hardware, you have to take your trim off. So this here is your door casing, trim. So we'll see what's going to happen with this. We're planning on not doing that, but we'll see. I think what we'll do is we'll be installing this way up here. And it's a finished piece of wood that came with the door. Then we install the hardware on it, and we can leave the door trim alone. I'll get back to you.